very sorry. My father is Talaka, my mom is Talaka. And I want to see Olowo. And I'll be like, what am I going to do to see Baba Hotel? And I'll say, Baba Hotel is owing me 3 million. All of you go check. I resemble a person that have 3 million. It's just content. Baba Hotel did not. He said, Mudari G. Because it's like defamation. I'm defaming him. But my sense did not tell me that I was defaming. Just because I want to see Sheikh over too much of love. Now, today, I'm opportune to see Sheikh Baba Hotel. So, Ajid Madiha Khairi Al-Nabi Muhammadu. Ajid Madiha Khairi Al-Khalki. Zatan wa jawdataha wa id'ansi wa aman. Sannahu laka aidatan. Wa anshid awa fi ikitafa wa mawahdataha madatu rasulullah la ibad an wa audatan. Wa miqdaru fil bad'i wal audi azamun annabi Muhammad rasulullah Sheikh Baba Hotel authentic salati. Wallahi yẹ kí ṣe arrest me. Mo sọ kon jẹ mi 3 million just because I want to see Sheikh. Mi mọ̀ pé àwọn lawyer lo wan mi mọ̀ pé Sheikh fancy Sheikh one worldwide. Àwọn lawyer on behalf of Sheikh lo wan DM me what you are doing for the love of you want to see Sheikh is called defamation and in law kini kan they will put me behind bars. Orí me se wa pé behind èmi ọmọ tí mo jẹ́ kokko kí tí wà lọ wà ní behind bars. Ta ló fẹ́ ṣe bail Salman bin Always just like Lagos والله أنا معكم في Lagos طفل الشارعي طفل الحي الفقير طفل الخندق أنا معكم في Lagos والله ما شاء الله حاليا أنا في فندق GRA رادنسين ẹjọ́ dáre ẹwà ẹbọ mi wọ́n di fóònù ìmú ẹjọ́ tó lóhùn ẹbọ mi máa kíró yín tẹ́ àwọn ọmọ olówó máa kíró àwọn ọmọ olówó tẹ́ olówó lẹ́yìn náà bọ́ adé one street ní ìlà tí yín ẹjọ́ all of you Sheikh want to give me clothes ẹjẹ máa yẹ kó máa rò ní gbogbo máa they will see it on the video Allahu Akbar. Wallah, in my next video, if I wear all those nonsense clothes again, all of you should unfollow me. Allahu Akbar. Wallah, me won't go by like Jimmy. I say, thank you so very much. I say, this is Sheikh. This is Sheikh. Go. Where's Baba? Like Logerumi and Uridu and Ali Koshari. Hey. Oh my, we must enjoy your gidi. That me. That he could have even look like depressed. Wallahi, I'm a good boy too before, but inside the street, all of you see what Sheikh have told me to. But now, this is the main Islam. Sheikh Daniel now of me t-shirts go also street go around me, but this one is showing more of Islam. So tasawuf wa zalik ba'din laysa lahan. Bada audati ila lekanda tasawuf wa zalik. Ka فإناس بارك الله هو اللي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم إلى قناة تفضلوا بلغوس. سأستمر بنشر المزيد والحفظ في اللغة العربية. أنا مع شيخ بابا Hotel Salati. What can people do? I'm there. See, I'm blow. Number one. This is Sheikh driver, very handsome. This is Sheikh manager. Any issue? What to get to the issue? What to apply? Well, let the camera. Okay.